Hey guys! To quote J.K. Rowling, words are, in my not so humble opinion, our most inexhaustible source of magic. On that note, the word of the day is disparage, meaning to regard or represent as being of little worth. For example, it is never right to disparage people based on ethnicity. Spreading false rumors about Mary will unfairly disparage her reputation. He never missed an opportunity to disparage his competitors. Synonyms, or a few words having similar meaning, are belittle, denigrate, deprecate, trivialize, disdain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.